In today's video, we will be looking at the early warning signs of liver damage. These are very important signs to be aware of, so we can stop the disease from progressing and completely damaging our liver. When we talk about liver damage, what does it mean? Watch the entire video and discover mind-blowing information that can save your liver from damage. Liver damage occurs when the liver is harmed by toxins, infections, diseases affecting its ability to perform essential functions. The impact of liver disease worldwide is significant, contributing to approximately 2 million deaths each year. As you watch, you'll see just how vital your liver is, and why catching the early signs of trouble is crucial for your health. So stay tuned, because what you learn today could make all the difference for you or someone you love. Your liver is one of the most hardworking and vital organs in your entire body, performing over 500 essential functions to keep you healthy. Think of it as your body's main processing plant and detoxification center. It filters your blood, breaks down harmful substances like alcohol and toxins, helps digest the food you eat, and stores energy for when you need it most. Without a properly functioning liver, your body simply cannot operate at its best. Unfortunately, liver disease is becoming increasingly common around the world, affecting a significant portion of the population. Many people mistakenly believe that liver damage only comes from excessive alcohol consumption. Modern lifestyles, filled with processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats, are placing an unprecedented burden on this incredible organ. The good news is that the liver possesses a remarkable and almost unique ability to regenerate and heal itself. Recognizing the early, sometimes unusual signs of liver distress is the first and most critical step. By paying attention to your body's signals, you can take action early and help your liver on its path to recovery. One of the first and most telling signs that your liver might be struggling is a noticeable change in the color of your stools. Normally, your bowel movements have a characteristic brown color. This color comes from bile, a greenish-yellow fluid produced by your liver and stored in your gallbladder. The liver releases bile into your small intestine to help digest fats. As bile salts are processed by bacteria in your gut, they turn the stool brown. If your liver is damaged or you have fatty liver disease, the flow of bile can be obstructed. Without bile pigments, your stool will look much lighter. Another peculiar sign that may be linked to liver health is a decline in your ability to see in low-light conditions. This condition, often called night blindness, can be an indicator of a vitamin A deficiency. Vitamin A is a fat-soluble vitamin, which means your body needs fat and the bile to digest it, to absorb it effectively. The connection between your liver and your eyesight is direct. Your liver produces bile to help you absorb fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin A, which is crucial for the health of your retinas. Specifically, vitamin A is used to create a pigment called rhodopsin, found in the rod cells of your eyes. These cells are responsible for vision in low light. If your liver is damaged and not producing enough bile, your body cannot absorb the necessary amount of vitamin A from your diet. You might notice stools floating on the toilet water. This happens because a lack of bile means fats are not properly digested. Undigested fat is excreted in stool, making it less dense and buoyant. It's a clear signal your digestive system isn't breaking down nutrients properly. Moving down the body, a third unusual sign of potential liver trouble is swelling, particularly in your right foot and ankle. When the liver becomes inflamed, swollen, or scarred, it can impede the normal flow of blood through it. The liver has a major blood vessel called the portal vein, which carries blood from your digestive organs to be filtered. If the liver is enlarged, it can put pressure on this vein, causing a backup of blood and an increase in pressure. This condition is known as portal hypertension, and it can cause fluid to leak out of your blood vessels and accumulate in other parts of your body. Due to gravity, this excess fluid, a condition known as edema, often pools in the lower extremities, like your legs and feet. A very specific and common sign of liver-related edema is when the swelling is more pronounced in the right foot and ankle compared to the left. A classic test for edema is to press your finger firmly into the swollen area for a few seconds. A strange sign that can appear on your face, small yellowish-white bumps around your eyelids. These bumps, known as xanthelasma, are deposits of cholesterol under the skin. The liver metabolizes and clears cholesterol. Another symptom of liver trouble is fullness, pressure, or a dull ache on the right side, just beneath your rib cage. This often gets worse after a meal, especially a high-fat meal. A damaged or fatty liver can make bile thick and sludgy instead of thin and free-flowing. Thick bile can clog small ducts. The gallbladder sits under the liver. Congestion can inflame and swell the liver and gallbladder, causing pressure or sharp pain in the upper right abdomen. The phrenic nerve runs up to the shoulder. It can get irritated, causing referred pain, muscle tightness, and an ache near your right shoulder blade. Have you ever noticed that you seem to bruise more easily than others? Or have you seen unusual spots appearing on your skin? Your liver is responsible for producing many different proteins, including those that are essential for blood clotting. These proteins, known as clotting factors, help your blood to form clots quickly whenever you have an injury, preventing excessive bleeding. When your liver is congested, inflamed, or damaged, it produces fewer of these crucial proteins, which can impair your body's ability to clot blood normally. As a result, even minor bumps can cause large, dark bruises that take a long time to heal. Tiny blood vessels near the skin can break, causing small purple or red dots to appear. These often look like a rash on the lower legs or arms, called petechiae or purpura, caused by bleeding under the skin. Another sign, the skin on your feet, specifically cracked heels. Your body relies on vitamin B3, also known as niacin, to keep skin cells healthy and moisturized. Niacin is vital for cellular repair and energy metabolism, helping maintain the skin barrier and preventing dryness and damage. When the liver is damaged, the body diverts nutrients to repair it, consuming large amounts including vitamin B3. That leaves less niacin for skin maintenance, especially on the soles of your feet and heels, making them dry, brittle, and prone to cracking. Persistent cracked heels that don't improve with moisturizers could be a sign to look deeper at your liver's health. An intensely frustrating and often maddening symptom of liver trouble is a persistent urge to scratch the palms of your hands and the soles of your feet. This isn't just a normal, fleeting itch, it can be deep and relentless and not relieved by scratching. This condition, known as pruritus, is caused by a buildup of substances in your blood your liver should be filtering out. One main culprit is bile acids. When the liver is damaged, it fails to properly process and excrete bile. Bile acids then accumulate in the bloodstream and can be deposited under the skin. Your body releases histamines, the same compounds in allergic reactions, which cause the intense itching. Check your fingernails for clues about your health, including your liver. Nails losing pink and turning almost completely white is called Terry's nails. Clubbing is another sign. Fingertips become enlarged, nails curve around them, taking on a rounded, bulbous, or spoon-like appearance. These nail changes can signal problems with circulation and oxygen delivery to the extremities. Research since the 1950s found many people, up to 8 out of 10, with severe liver scarring or cirrhosis had all white nails. The color of your urine can tell you a lot about your hydration levels, but a persistent change to a dark color can also be a warning sign of liver dysfunction. One of the liver's many jobs is to break down old red blood cells. During this process, a yellow-orange pigment called bilirubin is produced. A healthy liver processes this bilirubin and excretes it from the body, primarily through the stool. However, if the liver or the gallbladder is damaged, this bilirubin can start to build up in the bloodstream instead of being properly eliminated. When there is an excess of bilirubin in your blood, your kidneys will try to filter it out and excrete it through your urine. This causes the urine to take on a very dark color, which can range from a strong dark orange or amber to a brown, tea-like, or even cola color. Certain medications that can be hard on the liver, such as some antibiotics, sleeping pills, or birth control pills, can also contribute to this symptom by weakening the liver's ability to process bilirubin normally. When the bilirubin that your liver is failing to filter builds up to even higher levels in the blood, it can start to change the color of your skin and the whites of your eyes. This condition is known as jaundice, and it causes a distinct yellowish tinge to the skin and sclera, which is the white part of the eyes. Jaundice is one of the most well-known and serious signs of liver damage. It's a clear, visible indication that the liver is not able to perform its crucial filtration duties, leading to a toxic buildup of bilirubin throughout the body's tissues. It often points to significant liver problems such as hepatitis, cirrhosis, or even poisoning from drugs or medications. If you or someone you know develops yellow skin or eyes, it is not a symptom to watch and wait on. The final unusual sign we'll discuss is the appearance of spider veins, also known as spider angiomas. These look like small red dots on the skin with tiny spider-like blood vessels radiating outwards from the center. They can appear anywhere, but are most common on the face, neck, chest, and arms. These formations are essentially small, dilated blood vessels that have become damaged and are now visible through the skin. The link between spider veins and the liver relates to hormone regulation. The liver is responsible for metabolizing and filtering excess hormones from the body, including estrogen. When the liver is damaged, it cannot perform this function effectively, leading to higher than normal levels of estrogen circulating in the bloodstream. High estrogen has a weakening effect on the walls of small blood vessels and capillaries. This weakness causes them to dilate and swell, making them visible on the skin's surface as spider angiomas. If you have recognized one or more of the 12 symptoms discussed, from pale stools to spider veins, it is highly recommended that you schedule a visit with your doctor. A medical professional is the only one who can provide an accurate diagnosis. Don't try to self-diagnose or ignore the symptoms, hoping they will go away on their own. When you see your doctor, you can ask for specific tests to check your liver's health. A simple blood test can measure your liver enzymes. An even better test to request is a liver ultrasound. This is a simple, non-invasive, and painless procedure that uses sound waves to create a detailed image of your liver. An ultrasound can clearly show if there are fatty deposits, swelling, scarring, or other abnormalities. Fortunately, the liver has an incredible capacity for healing. Liver damage typically progresses through 4 stages. First, it gets clogged with fat, called fatty liver. Then it becomes inflamed, known as steatohepatitis. Then it begins to develop scar tissue, or fibrosis. Finally, it can reach advanced scarring called cirrhosis. The key is to intervene before the damage becomes irreversible. By making significant changes to your diet and lifestyle, you can help your liver regenerate and reverse the damage. The first and most crucial step is to clean up your diet. A fatty or damaged liver is extremely sensitive to certain types of sugar, particularly fructose. Your liver processes fructose much like alcohol. It is essential to cut back drastically on sugary, starchy, and refined flour-based foods. Sweets, soda drinks, bread, pasta, fruit juices, ketchup. Instead, focus on nutrient-dense whole foods that support liver health. Bitter and sulfur-rich foods are particularly beneficial. These foods boost glutathione, the body's master antioxidant. Kale, broccoli, Brussels sprouts. Include high-quality protein and healthy fats. Pasture-raised eggs, wild-caught salmon, walnuts. Beyond changing what you eat, you can incorporate several other powerful habits and remedies to accelerate your liver's healing. Start your day with a cup of organic, home-brewed coffee. Contrary to old beliefs, coffee, when consumed in moderation and without sugar or cream, is beneficial for the liver. Polyphenols in coffee reduce scar tissue formation and help protect the liver from damage. Make it even more powerful. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Curcumin is a potent anti-inflammatory phytonutrient. Hydration is absolutely critical for liver function. Aim to drink at least 1 liter of high-quality mineral water throughout the day. Proper hydration helps thin your blood, making it easier for the liver to filter. Add a squeeze of fresh lemon or lime to your water for extra cleansing. Incorporate liver-cleansing herbs and spices: ginger, cinnamon, milk thistle, green tea. Try intermittent fasting, also called time-restricted eating. Consume all daily calories within a set window and fast for the remaining hours. This gives your digestive system and liver a needed rest. During fasting, your body activates autophagy. Cells, including liver cells, recycle damaged parts to regenerate healthy ones. Finally, eliminate inflammatory industrial seed oils from your diet. Avoid corn oil, soybean oil, canola oil, margarine. Instead, cook with extra virgin olive oil and virgin coconut oil. Combine these habits and your liver can heal and regenerate, giving you a new lease on health. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who may benefit. Take charge of your health today.